All right, Leslie, here is your carburetor. I'm sorry this has taken so long, but when I had to replace your bowl, all the three other spares were so bad that I couldn't use them, and the last one leaked. But this one appears to be doing well. All right, so nice and dry down in there. Looking good. There are no leaks anywhere. All right. Well, let's go ahead and fire it up. Alrighty. Put down inside again. See, there are no leaks. Loaded set correctly. Go ahead and take a look at some numbers here. Right now it's idling at about 660. Well is at 41, which is good. 42 plus or minus 1 is always good. All right. Fuel pressure, 2.75. Vacuum at 23. That's excellent. All righty. Well, let's pull it through a couple times here. Pardon my fingers. Okay. Well, my friend, I think we got it covered for you finally. Thank you very much.